My name is Castro Antwi-Danso, and I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for Esoko. We are a social entrepreneurship company, a private company as well. We provide information services to farmers as well as data collection services to organizations. The whole idea is to have an impact on rural communities and improve their livelihoods. Well, we need to care about data collaboration because there's a lot of data that is repetitive. We collect data, some other organizations collecting the same data, so a lot of money is expended on collecting the same data. If we collaborate, and then once we collaborate, we can be able to share information, and then we will avoid repeating collecting the same data, when in fact data already exists that we can use to do what we want to do. In our case, impact the rural communities. Well, the risk about data collaboration of data is the use of data. I mean, the whole idea that I collect somebody's personal information and I give you somebody else, and I'm not sure what the person is going to use it for, provides a risk for me, because if that data is compromised, then it affects my business. So there's a large risk when you are sharing data with people and with other organizations, and so those things need to be mitigated by regulations and also by agreements between these organizations. I think that the role of data stewards is to keep that data and ensure that the sanctity of that data and its use, also ensure its effective use and management is very key. I mean, data is business. We are in the data business, so we understand what kind of revenues you can generate from data. So if you don't have a good data steward to keep the data and ensure its proper use and management, it can be abused. And so the data steward is key to ensure that people's data that they give to you in confidence and in trust is maintained at that level, and then you can continue getting data that would help you to make better informed decisions. What I would like to get out of a network of data stewards is to see what are the best practices in other places that would inform what we do, especially in Africa, where data use and management is not very enhanced. So if I have a network of data stewards, that's the first thing I would like to get, that I can learn from best practices elsewhere. Again, also, if there's data that has been used in other parts of the world, and we can also benefit from that in terms of how that data was used, and we can also benefit from how it was managed and kept, then that also be of benefit to me. And of course, from a sales perspective also, the network also helps me to then expand to other territories.